Let's talk about the cause of restless leg syndrome and the side effects of the medications and how you can prevent this completely. This is important. There's so many people having problems now. Hi, Dr. Paul Haider, Master Herbalist and Health and Wellness Instructor, going on 36 years now, 1,300 videos a year for you to get healthy with. I have lots and lots of testimonials also. Let's get the world healthy. Please click on subscribe and that little, button to say I want his next video. You can get healthy too. You probably know somebody who has restless leg syndrome, or they can't sleep at night and their legs keep moving and all kinds of problems. And we're going to talk about, why this is happening and why this is happening now. And this is not good. If you can't sleep, it's one of the worst things ever. And it will age you fast for sure. And then doctors put you on medications which have caused even more restless leg syndrome. If you look at some of these medications, it'll say, involuntary movement of your legs and cramps in your muscles and all kinds of things. And so what good is that? And the side effects of some of these restless leg syndrome medications are terrible. They cause, gambling problems. A man actually was on restless leg syndrome medication for 20 years. He gambled away everything he owned and finally got off the medication. Then all of a sudden it disappeared. This is not good. They also cause binge eating and hypersexuality and compulsive shopping, and can cause depression, anxiety, irritability, also severe frustrations and mental distress, and also panic attacks and anxiety, like I said, and also depression, just because of these medications. This is really, really not good. It's really interesting that most doctors don't even really want to talk about this. And I have met people, one particular lady who was on restless leg syndrome medication for 20 years, and she finally went completely bonkers. And she was totally angry at everybody and everything, and really not good at all. Also, some of the things that can cause restless leg syndrome also are antidepressants, antipsychotics. They can cause sleep deprivation and trigger mental illnesses. Also, I've seen people on, antidepressant medication for 20 years, and all of a sudden they come down with restless leg syndrome. This is not good. Other things that cause restless leg syndrome: chemicals in our food. There's a huge amount of chemicals in our food now. Also, highly processed food, which people are eating by the tons now, which is causing restless leg syndrome, and they don't put two and two together. Really not good. Artificial colors, which you're taking in, by the truckload. All artificial flavors, the same thing. And artificial, preservatives of all kinds for food. And not, food's not supposed to last forever on the shelf. Down below, you'll see a few citations of scientific studies talking about this. But are your doctors talking about this? No, not at all. They don't want to know. And a lot of them don't even want to talk about this at all. They just kind of shut you down. And this is not good. Sometimes leg cramps, if you're low in magnesium, you can get leg cramps, and magnesium will help. But other times it won't. Most of the time is caused by all these chemicals people are taking in, and they just don't either notice or read labels or don't care, which is pretty sad. And I've seen people on this restless leg syndrome medication, some of them got to the point where they felt like doing suicide. This is really terrible. We need to address this and start changing our lives to eat more natural and get rid of all these chemicals that we're consuming. So we're trying to fix one thing. We put more chemicals in, and that becomes a very terrible cocktail, severe cocktail that actually ruins people's lives, and we need to change this altogether. The answer to restless leg syndrome is not in a medication. If you have something going on, give me a call at 831-869 9119. 831-869-9119. I've had a lot of people with restless leg syndrome, and now they're totally fine and doing well, and we need to get people off all these terrible medications. We are a pill-pushing country. There's no doubt. We take more pills than anybody else in the world. So we've got to change. 831-869-9119. Remember God, remember I love you. And a great sage once said, agitation within robs one of reflection and the clarity of vision. In the state of mind, it is, of course, impossible to act with presence of mind. And the right thing then is to keep still until balance is regained. People are running like chickens with their head cut off. We really need to sit down and have clarity of mind and love ourselves first so we can love other people. I love you.